Priceless Pearl Life with me, Katrina. Cue the intro. Welcome back, or simply welcome on today for my refreshing summer punch recipe. My ingredients include strawberry syrup, sugar, pink lemonade, cherries, a few pineapples, as well as pineapple juice and Sprite. You'll see that in a little while. As always, the full recipe will be in the description box below. So let's enjoy this to music, and I'll be back momentarily. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. Thank you so very much for stopping by the Johnson Ranch on today. I hope that you're having an a most amazing day. And if you're new here, welcome, but don't be a stranger. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. So let me take this opportunity to introduce myself to you. I am Katrina, and this is the Priceless Pearl Life. I am a sister, a daughter, a friend, a servant, and a pastor. And this is my lifestyle channel. So join me for home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, shopping hauls, singing, and so much more. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. So add ice to your favorite glass, and as you see, I've tilted it to the side to make sure that my strawberry syrup goes all the way to the bottom. And now I'm pouring, but the key to pouring the top layer is to pour on top of your ice so that the bottom and the top layer do not mix. So thanks for stopping by this quick, easy, simple, but oh so refreshing summer pineapple lemonade strawberry punch. And if by chance you haven't seen my pineapple barbecue wing recipe yet, make sure you stop by that video before leaving YouTube on today. Thanks for stopping by the Johnson Ranch one more time. And remember, videos are posted on Tuesdays and Fridays, 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkled in between just for your viewing pleasure. Make sure to follow me on all of my social media. Facebook, Priceless Pearl Life. Instagram, Katrina Johnson. Twitter at Pastor J, the AKA. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you in my next video.